And when I'm maybe Gano, when you're in a church can learn for almost a month plus. I'm not going to be a church, but what the rest, you no, can the inside no undertaking that now. You have an Amelia in this town no more. Ha. And my side not undertaking for what? What's my sign? Ochu. So you want to put him Ochu or a girl meet in a court, but send Natalie J. You will the petition in a court. Was only mistakenly went from where send the bazzi message about the Georgia and we tell go to a gissy way, Piapotam and Ebain as Wafia. Didn't want to see ya. Now you know all those things, no one will anybody. You couldn't. I know what I know in the buy and also. It's in a cafota. We just call to back. No, that girl. When you make child things in a church, but I can just call to back with her first. Till when they be man. The Otaka can now manage since that last year. Now even be. Then the Ugo will soon expire. Now after 1 year, yeah, in February, January last year, after 1 year, on this March, where this February anonymia last week, can the judge strike out the case? Reason the judge to strike the case about that now. Also now the marriage, the petition, no, the last time did not avoid because no marriage will be 2 years. Because now under Nigerian constitution, marriage is supposed to be up to 2 years before you file for divorce. So marriage will be 2 years when file or divorce. And secondly, no leave of court before filing that divorce. So the hand strike here out. After can strike it out of Takwa, that same Friday last week, or file another one. Now this guy has been tormenting me. He has been tormenting me throughout. Oh, and I tried to go to for myself. No job. No. Even my house now goes to expire. I don't have money to pay. I have been depressed. I gave this guy my 6 years of my life. After this guy have fufu. All the properties I want. This guy deny hunter. No, I want. Even maybe my signature to me as a witness. Oleha. Then the ones other people sign as witness. I hear 3-bedroom flats in this town. This guy has locked it since. And his wife, Nagalona Church, no place of abode. Even the reason that this town, women go up and down. Now, agent meets a lawyer with all the petitions because everything, they were lies. Lies upon lies. But I don't even know him. Agent meet a lawyer, a very good lawyer, get with it, 200 to 300,000 to go on with the case. And I don't even have such money because house rent, all you go to shelter for, so you could be any other thing. I don't have such money. I need to tell the world. I need to fight justice. I need to tell the world the truth. But I don't even know how to go about it. Who be number one? Because I don't even know who to talk to. I don't have anybody to talk to. I don't know how to go from here. I am scared. I have no friends. Nobody. I'm just on my own. The worst I can draw, is it a crime for me to love? Is it a crime for me to love? Because, my God, share, go to this story so that people advise me on what to do. I have the mind. I should fight for my justice. The other one, I should leave it for God. When each time we put the alcohol, that the things petition against me, the lies would they because share this story. Because this is my story. This is my story. Now the second petition, the case is coming up in March 3rd. March 3rd. I have no lawyer. I don't even know what to do. I don't even have money. I am just here depressed, confused. This is my story. But the hearing of this case, you're gonna march. That's next month 3rd. It's not up to a month. I want to know what people advise because I've not signed. I've not said anything. I want to know what people will advise me to do before the next line of action. So that 2 weeks in Aguamo, not the big, or the long too far. Nobody got drop other people's story, go to my own because I will appreciate it. And I'm in a serious situation because I went on the web. So some like him. So someone meditating. The fear self, the fear them. I need to know the opinion of people. Here in Nigeria, on taking of this case in the court, seeking for justice. Come on, happy. Come on, allow the man. Leave him to God. That is what my heart is seeking. Now, also, when you can take care of this case, I don't have the money to pay lawyer. Because also, for one name, okay, our last born, Obonke Kudorum, and then I want to want that now. Due to the main work of paper evidence, it just show all the properties that I go together, and all the things, all the investment I made together. That now will not, that the case will not come out anything, not that in his favor. The human rights in Jamaica, look at the same thing called Agwam. But a good lawyer meeting Agwam that it is not true, that as long as now we build all those things together and now much at the location of them, that I have no, that now get city my justice. No, a good lawyer behind need. Now for this town, different ladies on your book, Obulukata, Ichubulunka, Obuluyelota, tomorrow, Obuluguri, on Yona, I don't understand. Which I am seeing him sometimes. I don't know why also. I don't know why also because now I am a marriage under the act. I don't know why also. Come on, you know why be. We'll go another question. You can ask. Thank you, ma.
Igbo bụ Igbo, unu anụgonu na-ewegolu ntị unu wee nụnụ. This very lady, enyemaka ka ọ na-ayọ. Ọ sị onwe onye enwe ike inyeli aka n'ụdị ọbụla, no matter how small. Onye afọ mee ka mmalụ. Ihe dị na marriage sikwa n'ike, ihe dị na marriage siri, in fact, akọba ụfọdụ ike akwụla ọtọ gwụ m, honestly. And that's why ọ ga-abịa eweta ụdị nsị ka ọ nọ n'ụlọ. Biko onwe onye iche nyere this lady aka, ma ọ na o nwere ọdụ ịchọrọ ịdị ya, ihe ọbụla ifili like na ihe a ọ kọrọ anyị kịta, ime ka mmalụ. Ọ bụ nke ị ga-ede na comment section, ide na comment section. Ọ bụ nke ị ga-akọntaktị m, my number dị na my page, you contact me. Mụrụ m ife m ga-ekwu, ike gwụrụ m. Etu ike si gwụ unu kịta, ike nke m si wee gwukwuo m. Daalụnụ, ka ọ dị n'ụbọchị ọzọ.